Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be highlighting some of the latest features and enhancements introduced in ServiceDesk Plus Cloud. We have introduced a bunch of new enhancements to Zia, our virtual AI assistant. Zia can now predict request groups, and we have extended its capability to problem module where it can predict technicians and it can also predict change risk. Apart from this, we have introduced a new feature called Solution Assist, which can provide contextual solutions to end users based on their inquiry. Zia can now provide AI-generated summary for your request, where it can collect data from end users' responses, subject, description, resolution, and notes, and provide you with a conversation summary. We have introduced one more feature to our ChatGPT integration called Text Assist, which can provide you with context-based content. Custom menu is now extended to other modules like purchase, contract, and project. Approval comments can now be added by approvers if further clarification is required before approving or rejecting an approval. Finally, we have introduced some enhancements to task template, where you can now add new sections, mandate fields, or add new additional fields to task template. You now have the capability to display request fields within the task, and also you can create module specific tasks as well. Thank you all for watching this video. See you all in the next one.
Hello all. In today's video, we'll be having a quick look at the new functionalities released in ServiceDesk Plus on-premises. In a time where cybersecurity is very crucial, we've made enhancements to the existing two-factor authentication functionality. Two-factor authentication, which already supports admin operations and user authentication, has now been upgraded to support selective user authentication. Administrators which are looking to enable two-factor authentication for a select set of users can make use of this application to deploy it. Moving on, we've made enhancements to live chat to improve the level of communication between users in ServiceDesk Plus. Let's have a look at the different enhancements made in the live chat upgrade. Requesters now get to raise chats not just against their pending requests but also the closed tickets. This allows them to catch up with technicians on the resolutions that have already been provided. Enabling this would definitely improve the satisfaction rate of resolution offered by technicians to requesters in an organization. Moving on, gone are the days where you manually click and upload attachments onto ongoing chats. The application now supports drag and drop of attachments onto ongoing chats. Up next, administrators can now restrict requesters from raising chats outside their operational hours. Enabling this would definitely bring down the number of missed chats in any organizations, ensuring the chats are raised in the right time. Up next, the welcome message in chat is now supported with dynamic content variables, very similar to a notification template. This makes the welcome message more personalized to the requester rather than being very generic. Up next, the application now supports export of any page in the application as a PDF file. This will definitely be useful for any user who's trying to submit proof for an audit or a board meeting. That's it for today's video. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.